All right, you guys, what we have here today is a challenge. Dairy Queen versus Sonics. More specifically, Dairy Queen's Blizzard, Oreo Blizzard versus Sonic's Blast, Oreo Sonic Blast, and a chicken strip challenge. Who has the best chicken strips? Let's get into it. You can unwrap that.
This.
Yeah, unwrap it. Yeah, you good? You good? All right, here you go. Here go yours. Here go yours. Now, before we get started, let me welcome you all to the lunch table. We got the lunch table. We at the lunch table. We at the lunch table. Yeah, let's go ahead and chop this fade. Peep Sweet, you can start it. By the way, this is Yara, and that's Peep Sweet, and I'm your shy. Oh, she cute with me. All right, come on. All right, what y'all want to do first? Y'all want to take the chicken strip challenge first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see who got the best one. We go to honey mustard. You know. Okay, what come in that?
Okay, so
It comes with some toast and fries and the chicken strip under the toast.
Okay. And there's Dairy Queens just come with chicken strips and fries. Okay. Y'all go ahead. I'm on a diet, so I ain't gonna be eating all like this.
no, I'm gonna try Sonic's first.
You ain't gonna dip it in no sauce or nothing?
No.
Ghetto. What?
No, not ghetto.
I mean, y'all could get to describing it. What it tastes like.
It tastes dry.
It's dry. Okay, it's dry. Here, let me see. Let me see. I'll just. Yeah, it's dry some more. It's super dry. Okay, let's do Dairy Queen.
Yeah, this tastes way more better.
Way more better. Mm-hmm. She didn't go to English class. That's a hood term. Way more better and never gonna lie.
It's crunchier.
Yeah.
Crunchy. Is it juicier?
Yes. I don't know what Sonic got. That stuff trash.
That's trash. Oh man, you're gonna hear that a lot around here. That's trash. Okay, so let's get to the ice cream.
Yeah.
Let's do Dairy Queen first. I'll tell you right now, Sonic got a better cup than Dairy Queen. Cause that styrofoam
All right,
cup.
y'all. This how Dairy Queen cup look.
Show them the ice cream. Show them the ice cream. There you go.
You like them?
Okay.
Well, I feel like this is not gonna have enough Oreos.
I don't know. It look like they got Oreos on it right now. They sprinkle them on top. Okay, let's try Sonic's.
Oh, y'all, this how Sonic. Sonic.
Yeah, I like how
pretty
Sonic.
and stuff.
I like how Sonic put the Oreos on top like that too. So you know you're getting some.
Yeah.
It's like
It's
I
like,
thought that one's thicker.
okay, they said the Blizzard thicker.
I like
Sonic.
Sonic's better.
Look, man, let me be the judge. I need a spoon. I'll be right back because I can't corona these people. I mean, trust these people.
Yeah. Sonic way more better. I don't know.
Let me be the judge of that, because we got a tie, and I need to break it. That is thicker. Yeah, this is watery. Bro, Dairy Queen won this challenge.
What are y'all talking about?
Dairy
way
Queen won this
thicker.
challenge. They won this challenge for more than one reason.
Well, it got so
The
much
chicken
more
strips
in
are
it.
juicier. The ice cream is thicker, and I do not know how. Because when I was a kid, every time I got Dairy Queen, it would melt it before I got to the house. But they done came up. Second, it's cheaper. The Dairy Queen meal was $6. Actually, $7 when you upgraded it to a Blizzard. And the Sonic meal was like $9. I'm taking Dairy Queen every time over this. So
Yeah, but definitely Sonic. If y'all watching this, whoever work at Sonic, fix y'all chicken strips.
fix your chicken strips. Put some juice in it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what y'all cooking. You need to start cooking with an air fryer.
I'm gonna taste this. I'm gonna
Oh,
taste.
you gonna taste the toast?
Y'all just taste like regular bread.
It's just regular bread, no butter.
Yes.
What you expect to get for $7? Y'all act like this a gourmet meal. Okay. Okay, we're gonna conclude this video by saying that Dairy Queen wins over Sonic.
So if y'all want some good ice cream and some good chicken strips, y'all be better going to Dairy Queen.
Yeah, I'm gonna see how Dairy Queen compares to what's the place? Baskin Robbins.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna see how they compare to that. All right, that concludes the video.